touch me like I'm an ordinary man. Have a look in my eyes. Underneath my skin there is a violence. It's got a gun in its hands, ready to make sense of anyone, anything, anyone, anything, anyone, anything, anyone, anything, anyone, anything. Black holes living in the side of your face, razor wire spinning around your 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 bullets of the beauty of the blistering sky, bullets of the beauty and I don't know why, bullets of the beauty of the blistering sky, bullets of the beauty and I don't know why. Personal responsibility, personal responsibility.
Thanks everyone in medic spec. Take a 34-year-old male.
14 people are dead, 4 others suffered serious injuries. Police have a suspect.
Personal responsibility, personal responsibility, personal responsibility.